friends, welcome back to Best Way to Study. In this video, we are going to see all the details regarding SBI Clerk Prelims 2019 results as well as the expected cutoff. So watch this video till the end. So coming to the results, SBI Clerk Prelims 2019 results are going to be released by today evening or by today afternoon at max, that is on July 19th, 2019, you're going to get your results, that is SBI Prelims 2019. So you can happily go to the official website once the results are declared, then you can happily check out your results. So now let's see what are the simple steps where you can follow to check your results. Go to the official website of your SBI. After going there, you will find the link with the name SBI Clerk Prelims 2019 results. So once the results are out, you can see the link. Once you click on the link, they may ask you to log in. Then you need to log in and enter all your valid credentials. After that, click on submit. You can happily check out your results. Now let's see what are the cutoff marks for SBI Clerk Prelims 2019. So this is the expected cutoff. So now let's see category wise. So this is the overall cutoff, okay, out of 100 marks. So coming to the OBC, the cutoff is out of 100 marks for OBC in SBI Clerk Prelims 2019 exam. For OBC, the cutoff is in between 55 to 62. Okay, the cutoff is 55 to 62 out of 100 marks. Okay, overall cutoff. So coming to the SC, the cutoff will be from 49 marks to 53 marks. Okay, so coming to ST, the cutoff will be 46 to 53 marks out of 100 marks. So coming to the general category, the cutoff will be high. It will be above 65. So it may be in between 60 to 64 marks out of 100 marks. So this particular cutoff may change. So if the paper is really hard, if the difficulty level of the paper is really high, the cutoff comes down. If the paper is very easy and basic, if the difficulty level is very low, then the cutoff increases. So the cutoff is completely related to the difficulty level of the paper. So this is the expected cutoff. So this based upon the difficulty level of the paper, based upon the criteria of the this particular exam, so the cutoff will be decided by the officials. So I hope you found this video useful. I'm going to do more and more videos regarding SBI Clerk Mains 2019 also. So what you need to do is you have to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more such wonderful video notifications, and like and share this video with all your friends. Your like is so precious for me. So if you like the video, it means you wanted me to make more and more such kind of videos. So it's really appreciating and it's really encouraging and motivating for me. So please like and share this video. Please admire our hard work, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and all the very best for your results, and also all the best for your preparation regarding your SBI Clerk Mains 2019. So that's it. Thanks for watching.